The real lang attribute genuinely tells browsers and screen readers what language a document, or part of it, is actually written in. In this video you'll use lang correctly. This real attribute genuinely, on the HTML tag, sets the actual default language for the whole real document, essential for screen readers to use the correct real pronunciation. This real, more specific lang attribute genuinely overrides the actual document default for just this one real element. Without a real lang attribute, screen readers genuinely have to guess the actual language, sometimes mispronouncing real text badly. Lang on HTML tag genuinely sets the whole document's real default language. A real, more specific lang can genuinely override it for one element. This is genuinely essential for correct real screen reader pronunciation. Confirm a real page of yours declares a correct lang attribute. Ready to handle browsers with real JavaScript disabled?